Hey guys, TechMan TV here with a hands-on demo of iPhone OS 4.0, which was just announced yesterday by Apple and was actually released to developers. Anyways guys, there's a bunch of new features to iPhone OS 4.0. Let me just go over some visible features right now. And obviously you see there's now user backgrounds on the home page. This is just like in the iPad or for jailbroken iPhone and iPod touches. You can change these very easily. To change these, just go into your photos or wherever you have a wallpaper stored. You can click the little use as wallpaper, you can click set, and there's going to be an option set lock screen, set home screen, or set both. Another visible feature is actually the calculator application was actually changed, and right now I have my calculator inside an app folder, which I'm going to be going over in a second. That's the new calculator icon, and this is what an app folder looks like when it's open. An app folder is a new feature where you can put different applications inside a folder. You can name the folder, you can even put these app folders in the dock. So basically to get an app folder, go on your home screen and drag an application over another one. So I put iTunes over Maps. It'll go in like that, and now it named it as Lifestyle. So let's just browse through settings real quick. I have in another folder for utilities. And here we are. I just set up my mail accounts right there, which I'll be showing you in a minute. There's actually a lot more enhanced mail support. So this is what settings is going to look like. It's basically the same on the home screen over here. There's nothing really different. I can go into General, About, and there we are. I'm in 4.0. If you don't believe me, I don't know why you wouldn't. Anyways, you can go into Location Services, and there's actually going to be different things down here. There's going to be more as you open different applications, and you can use Location Services for specific applications. For example, I don't need it on camera, so I'd turn it off, but when I go into the Maps application, a little icon will come up here if I want to turn on for maps, and I definitely love the location services for maps. I can go back and let's go into home button, which is a complete new feature, and here, let's go to search results. And actually when you're going into Spotlight, this is a customization. You can actually see what's going to come up in Spotlight. There's actually an enhanced Spotlight search as well. So here we are in accessibility. There's one new option, which is large text. So you can make your text larger. I'm just going to keep it off. But that's basically for people that have problems with their vision. Now the biggest feature out of every new feature on iPhone OS 4.0 is obviously multitasking. Let me show you what multitasking is like and how you can actually enable it. Basically, how to enable it is double click the home button. There we are. There's a little bar down here where you can sort through all the different applications that you have running. So if I want to go into Safari, there I am. Now let me show you the enhanced mail support, which you can just find by going into mail. And this is obviously what it's going to look like. There's now two options here, inboxes and accounts. Inboxes, there's actually a universal inbox right there. So I see all my mail right there. And the difference between these two is, you see there's two of the same emails in both. This one will go straight into your inbox. This one will go into all these different account settings. Now let me go into the camera application, which I love the new features in here. Number one, the biggest feature is there's now zoom. There we are, it's actually 5 times zoom. I know you can't really tell very much since I'm pointing it at the ground, but there is 5 times zoom. Another cool feature in camera is now in video recording mode. Actually, once you're already recording, you can tap to focus. Before, you can only tap to focus before you start the recording. Now, there's a bunch of new features in iPhone OS 4.0 I didn't cover in this video. I'm going to be showing you one more, which is Game Center. This is what Game Center looks like, and basically what Game Center is a new thing, kind of like Xbox Live. You can view achievements, scoreboards, and stuff like that. You can invite friends to play iPhone and iPod Touch and iPad apps with you. And so, for example, there's a Friends tab right here. I just got iPhone OS 4.0, so right now I don't have any friends added. But you can always request them here. If you click this little plus over here, you can send them a friend request. And yeah, guys, that's basically it for my hands-on demo of iPhone OS 4.0. Keep in mind that this is just beta 1, beta 2 is coming out next week, and so hopefully there's going to be new enhanced updates in beta 2. This is beta 1, so some of the features aren't that great so far. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thanks for watching.